Building a website in Lovable is fast, but delivering it to real client is a nightmare. They want WordPress for full control, custom hosting, and zero platform cost. But manually converting Lovable code to WordPress, it's a headache of broken layouts, file structure, and wasted hours. Recently, I found an AI tool that claims to solve this exact problem. This tool converts Lovable to a WordPress theme automatically in a single click within a few seconds. I have been testing it for a month, and today I'm showing you the real result. Let's see if it actually works. So as you can see, this is the Lovable dashboard. I have already entered the prompt and it's currently building the website. It takes a little time to generate everything, and alright, it's ready now. Take a look at the website. It looks really clean, modern, and completely brand focused. The overall design is impressive. You can also add animation to different section, and here you can switch between the desktop and mobile views. See how the website looks across different devices. This is the mobile version. As you can see, everything is responsive and all the sections are working perfectly. Now let's switch back to the desktop view. As you can see, everything looks great. The next step is to publish the project to GitHub, and to do that, go to setting. Inside setting, you will find the Git option. Simply click connect. After a few moments, it will connect automatically. As you can see, a pop-up already appeared. The project has been published to GitHub automatically. Now let's go and download it. Now that the project has been downloaded, the next step is to open the tool that will convert the file directly into a WordPress theme. This is the website we will be using. I will click login, and since I already have an account, it signs me in automatically. From here, the process is very simple. All you need to is drag and drop your project file or click browse to upload it manually. Once the file is uploaded, enter a name for your project or simply use the name you want for your WordPress theme. You will also notice several platform options here, such as Lovable, Bold, Cloud, and others. So even if your website was built with a different supported platforms, you can still convert it into a WordPress theme using this tool. Next, select WordPress theme and click Start Conversation. The conversation takes process a little time, but everything happens automatically. I will speed this part up to save time. I didn't speed up this part very fast because I wanted to mention a few important things. I have tried several WordPress converter tools, and the most common issue is that they often break the original design. Sometimes parts of the theme don't load properly, and you may also face security or compatibility issues. In some cases, you even have to switch to a different WordPress version just to install the theme. So far, I haven't faced any of these problems with this tool. It's professionally built, keeps the design intact, and the converted theme is clean and ready to use. You can confidently deliver it to your clients without worrying about broken layouts or unnecessary issues. I have been looking for a tool like this for a long time that convert website properly and gives you ready to install WordPress themes, and I can confidently say this tool is really good. Now that the conversion process is complete, let's download the theme and move over to WordPress. A download pop-up will appear automatically. I will go ahead and download the converted theme. Now let's switch to WordPress. Here we are inside the WordPress dashboard. As you can see, this is a fresh WordPress installation with the default homepage. To install the converted theme, go to Appearance, then Themes, and select Upload Theme. Now click Choose File, select the converted theme file we just downloaded and upload it. Once the upload is complete, click Install and then click Activate when the option appears. Now take a look at the website. As you can see, it looks exactly the same as the one we originally created in Lovable. The layout is identical, nothing is broken, and the entire design has been preserved perfectly. One of the best features of this tool is that it comes with its own dedicated visual editor. You can edit your website just as easily as you would with Elementor. As you can see, you can modify the text and other elements effortlessly through the editor, making customization quick and easy. That's honestly a fantastic feature. The website loads smoothly, performs well, and the overall experience feels polished and professional. This is not the only website I have built using the Lovable to WordPress converter. I also created another project and I'd like to show you. Here it is. As you can see, it's a fully responsive real estate website. It includes everything you had expect, such as property listing, agent profiles, and all the essential real estate features. It looks like this particular text is broken for some reason, but that normally doesn't happen. It's a very minor issue and nothing to worry about. Apart from that, the website looks fantastic. Each property displays detailed information like the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and the total area. You will also notice that Google Maps is fully integrated into the property pages, which gives the website a very professional feel. Overall, this is a polished and professional level real estate website. You can manage your agent and add property listing and customize everything directly from the WordPress dashboard. Let me show you. I will open the dashboard and active this plugin. This is actually a custom plugin that I built myself. So if you ever need a custom plugin or any other custom WordPress functionality, feel free to reach out. I can build it for you. Now, if we go to our properties, you will find the add property option. From here, you can manage every aspect of your property listing. Everything is already organized, including property types like apartment, commercial properties, lands, and villas. You also have property categories, listing status, and dedicated option for assigning agent. And the overall design feels clean, modern, and ready for real client project. Now let's take a quick look at the pricing. The tool offers 3 different plans: Starter Unlock, Pro, and Agency. The Starter Unlock is a one-time payment of $19 per site, making it a great option if you just want to convert a single project. If you are working with clients regularly, the Pro plan costs $49 per month and includes 20 conversions every month, along with advanced feature, editing feature, and priority processing. And the editing feature is just awesome. For agencies or teams, there's the agency plan at $249 per month, which comes with unlimited conversions and additional team features. I have already displayed all the pricing and features comparison on the screen, so you can pause the video and check the details if you had like. Personally, I think the pricing is really worth it, especially if you're building websites for clients. After just a few projects, the tool can easily pay for itself. If you had like to try it yourself, don't forget to use my coupon code TechInMinutes15 to get 50% off your purchase. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more AI and WordPress content, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video.